guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Boss Vision. I'm so excited for this video today. Okay, so I know you're probably wondering why do I have all this makeup on? I just did a Morphe 35M palette review. If you like those type of videos, please make sure you check it out. If you haven't seen it already, I'll link it right here. But yeah, this is an amazing day, you guys. We're gonna be doing another Birchbox unboxing. Oh my gosh, it finally came. I'm so excited. The box says yes, because you finally get your box, which is totally dope. So today's box is the October 2020 box. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. By the way, UPS really did some craziness to me, okay? They jam-packed this into my mailbox. How rude is that? You know how hard it was for me to pull this out of my mailbox? Yeah, that's a whole nother conversation. But whatever, I'm so happy I finally got it out. And I'm gonna link that video. I'm gonna put that video right beside me so you guys can see it, because that was just so disrespectful. But yeah, I'm so happy I got it out. And as always, they write such a kind message here. Look what they put. We heart you. Isn't that so sweet? They are so kind. I love them. Oh my gosh. So I'm so excited for the October box. Let's just get right into it. How's your guys' week going so far? Comment down below if you're feeling like me and feeling the winter vibes and the amazing fall weather. It's just giving you life. Just let me know, because I need all of that energy, all those positive vibrations. Just bring it all here and I'll just give it right back to y'all. Okay guys, so the box is super cute. Oh my goodness. They did something different this time. You guys, usually it's like this box, but look at this. Are you kidding me? My box has a tassel and I could just open it. Come on, this is gorgy. Oh my God, I am in love with this packaging. The tassel is adorable. Let's just see what it says. Wow. It says Birchbox was launched in September 2010 with a simple insight: everyone deserves a beauty discovery experience that is fun and effective. With so much gratitude and LOBBL. What is LOBBL? Like love of Birchbox? Please comment down below if you guys know what LOBBL is, because I totally love to know. Katia. Oh, it's a personalized note. And then it comes with all of the names of the samples, which is so helpful for me. So yeah, this is awesome. And it says, this year we're turning our 10th annual Customer Appreciation Day into a whole month. This is so dope. So it's not their anniversary, it's actually their Customer Appreciation Month. Super cool. Oh, we found out what LOBBL is. It's lots of Birchbox love. So to celebrate the best of the Birchbox community, we're challenging you to some 10-year anniversary Birchbox Bingo. They're giving us bingo. This is fun. We'll be giving 10 of our bingo winners $250 worth of points to spend in the Birchbox shop. That's a lot of money, especially looking at all the products that I want regarding Birchbox that I've seen the samples of. Oh my God, I would definitely love to win that. So to play this, you have to be a Birchbox subscriber before August 26th. Done. Mark off any activities and experiences you have completed, and once you have any 10 spaces marked off, you have bingo. And then you snap a photo of your winning Birchbox bingo board with 10 circle spaces, upload it to Instagram, and hashtag Birchbox sweepstakes. Tag us in your posts and share what you loved most about being a Birchbox subscriber. This is super dope. And it comes with this cute little bingo thing here, just to show you. If you collect 10 in order, you'll take a picture of it, upload it onto Instagram, and then you'll be all set. And then you're entered into the sweepstakes. This is super dope. Love it. Okay, let's get into the fun part. Oh my gosh, I love the pretty pink packaging here. Wow, I'm so excited. Every month, they never disappoint. So, I'm looking forward to this. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I got a Hopeless Hair Extreme Repair Mask. I have one of these before and I loved it, so I'm so excited they sent it to me again. I don't know if this was a mistake, but I love it, so I'm so happy they sent me one more. This mask is amazing. It's extreme hair repair, so it's definitely good for us girls with like tight curls that get really dry and brittle. This helps a million. Like I wear you know, fake hair, but my real hair under here is really tight, dry, 4C hair, and this helped a lot last time I tried it, so I'm excited to have it again. All right guys, the next thing that came in here was this beautiful Australian pink clay pore refining face mask. Oh my god, they listened to me. I said I struggled with my pores coming out too much and they gave me a pore refining face mask, which is perfect. They definitely listen to your details online, so always put in your information regarding what you like and don't like because they're watching. Next, they gave me this Extension Plus Curl Curling and Lengthening Mascara. I've never seen a curling and lengthening mascara. I usually just see a lengthening mascara, but the fact that it curls your eyelashes is perfect because I wear fake eyelashes now, and it really helps to have your real eyelashes curled already before you apply them. That way there is a seamless, you know, application and it's less work. All right guys, next they have this nourishing lip oil. If you all watch my channel, you know that I am obsessed with any lip products, and I have 1,000 of them, but you can never have too many. And I love a nourishing lip oil. And following Birchbox, they send you a lot of brands similarly, and following Birchbox, they do send you a few brands over and over again, and I am familiar with the Arrow brand, and I know that they pride themselves in really quality products. So I'm looking forward to using this lip oil because I know they will not disappoint me. Next, they have this Ico Brow Liner. Oh my gosh, I love this brand as well. So Ico, they've given me their eyeliner before, but now they're giving me the brow liner, which I think will be really helpful for me because, guys, let me show you what I'm using for my eyebrows right now. I'm just using this little NYX brow pencil, and it's running low, as you can see, and it's raggedy. So now I could be a bougie girl and have brow liner, like fancy. So I'm super happy, and it's a great size. All right guys, last but not least, they gave me this huge secret sauce. Look at the packaging. Can we take a moment for this hieroglyphic, beautiful packaging? I hope we can focus. Oh my god, this is gorgeous, you guys. I'm in love. Totally in love. So it is the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce Anti-Aging Clinically Advanced Miraculous Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Oh my gosh, I definitely love this. They're paying attention to my needs because I did put in that I wanted an anti-aging moisturizer because I do get a bit of wrinkles on my forehead, which I think this will totally help a billion. Just to, you know, clear out the wrinkles. It's giving you clinically tested results with 207% of skin hydration. That is amazing. And it says that 94% of people say their skin looked radiant, healthy. And it says that 94% of people say their skin looked radiant, healthy, and soft and smooth. So I'm so excited. And then 89% of people said that their skin felt renewed, which is super dope. And then 83% of people say that their skin felt more plump, which is always the goal. You want to have a vibrant, plump face, you know? So this is perfect. Oh my gosh. It says it was developed with plastic surgeons. That's so important, you guys. It says it was developed with plastic surgeons. That's amazing because they are the main people who fine-tune things just for, you know, they are the main people. It says it was developed with plastics. It says it was developed with plastic surgeons. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Plastic surgeons are the main people who definitely take care of people's skin and give you that youthful look. So the fact that I don't have to go under the knife and I could just use this secret sauce, I'm so excited. All in all, this was an amazing box. I cannot understand how they always consistently pay attention to my needs and give me things that I could actually use. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below what your favorite item is. I'll link them in the description as well. And as always, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos that I post. And be sure to live in your purpose. Enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your year, and just love life. Okay, bye.